Hello students, welcome again. This video belongs to class 3 students. In last videos, we learned chapter 2 part 1. In part 1, we learned about our operating system MS Windows 10 and some popular examples of operating system like MS Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and so on. In previous part, we learned MS Windows, different tasks and icons, and selecting, deselecting and icons, selecting adjacent or non-adjacent icons, opening, how to open any type of applications using icons, and hiding desktop icons. Today we will learn about next points, taskbar. What is taskbar? Taskbar is a long bar at the bottom of the desktop as given in the figure. Look at your book. It is known as taskbar. Taskbar are divided in three main parts: start button, taskbar, and system tray. Start button is divided into start button and search bar, task view button, program icons, and show desktop buttons. So now let's start the following components. First is start button. Start button is very important desktop item. It is used to perform many activities like starting an application, searching files and folders, and shutting down our computer. When we click on the start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is known as start menu. Start menu contains many options. Some of them are like all apps. In all apps, it's contain the shortcuts to open various applications in a list format. Next point, we find sign out. This option close all your programs and prepare your computer to shut down. Next is setting. This option allows you to change the system setting of your computer as per your choice. In the taskbar, we look at the middle section. In middle section, we find search bar. In search bar, we find different type of file and folders step by step given here. Next, system tray. The next part of taskbar is system tray. It displays the current date and times. And last one is show desktop buttons. This button minimizes all the open programs and display the desktop. Click on the button as see your desktop here. Students, now move on your next steps. Shortcut buttons in a window. We find shortcut buttons in a window like minimize button, maximize button. In minimize button, we can click the windows to shrink the taskbar, and maximize button, it is used to increase the size of the window to its maximize. And restore down button. When you maximize a window, the maximize button look like this. Look carefully. It increases the windows back to its original size. And last one is close button. A window is closed by clicking this button on right corner on the top of the window. Our next point is mouse pointer shapes. We have seen different type of mouse pointers in our computer. Like this one, it's a normal pointer shapes. This move shape, that one text to write written text. This vertical resize and this one is horizontal resize. Next one is desktop background. What is desktop background, students? The desktop background picture of the desktop is called desktop background or wallpaper. As we see on our desktop, any type of pictures or figures. Now next point is changing the desktop background. How to change a desktop background? Given steps are given there. Step 1, right click on an empty area of desktop and click on the personalize options. The setting window appear. As shown in your figure. Go on step 2, click the background option from the left pane. And step 3, click on background drop down list and select any option. Step 4, select any picture from choose your pictures selection or click on browse to choose picture from your storage as you want. And the last option is step is you can also adjust the position of the picture by selecting any options from choosing a fit. The desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected options. This is known as our desktop background. Now move on our next chapter. Next points, screensaver. What is screensaver, students? A screensaver is a program that displays moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. It starts when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any operation. Here is given what are the steps to change our screensaver. There is 6 steps. Now our chapter is finished. So students, now you have to read entire chapter 2 and make a notes and do all exercises like A, B, C, all questions as well as given on your book. Thank you.